everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making pasta with tuna and black olives. The first ingredient you'll need is 350 grams of pasta, 100 grams of black olives and 200 grams of tuna. Get a pan and fill it up with water like I've done here and let it boil. Now that the water is boiling, we can put the salt that I've got right here. And then we put the pasta in. Now leave it to cook for how many minutes it says on the pasta box. Now get a big pan and put the tuna in and the black olives. Now get the pasta and put it all together, and then you have to mix it. We have now finished our wonderful paste. I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, please like the video and write down in the comments how it has come. Thank you, bye!